For decades, the clear aligner world relied on thermoforming. Slow, manual, and imprecise. But everything is about to change with the LuxCreo Dental, the world's first digital dental printer for direct print aligners and beyond. AI-driven, no models, no compromises. With an industrial-level DLP engine, nano-texture leap membrane, and the leading medical-grade performance materials. LuxCreo Dental brings together the breakthroughs that make direct printed aligners truly possible. Faster to produce, superior in performance, and expanded indications for orthodontics. High-performance resins are precisely heated for optimal printing, while intelligent dynamic controls seamlessly manages the printing parameters tailored to each resin. Enabling LuxCreo Dental to print reliably, accurately, and flawlessly. Paired with a fully integrated digital ecosystem, the LuxCreo Dental solution can produce flippers, night guards, dental models, and direct print clear aligners. Empowered by AI, the Lux Design opens to begin the aligner design process. First, auto-generate trim lines. Select from multiple styles. With one click, the system creates a precise, clean trim line, no manual drawing required. Next, smart cutouts for designing eruption guides. Solid Pontic ideal for managing missing tooth spaces, with selectable tooth shapes for natural restoration. Auto Blockout creates a smooth path of insertion for the appliance. With one-click AI, generates the aligner shell. The shell can then be further refined. Customized aligner tightness enhances comfort and treatment effectiveness. Customized thickness allows optimized force control, creating a truly personalized fit for every single aligner. The workflow then moves into LuxFlow, finishing, positioning, layout, and support generation in 1 second. Up to 90% fewer support structures with accuracy and reliable print success. And now, the aligner goes to print. After printing, it moves to post-processing with iLux Wash Dental. High-speed cleaning with built-in heating and ultrasonic technology removes residue from microgaps. Automated 2-stage washing ensures precision and safety. Then to Lux Oven Pro, where air convection effectively removes volatile organic compounds and ensures safety. Curing follows an LuxCreo Pro with 360 exposure and multi-frequency, high-intensity light for uniform, precise polymerization. Easy support removal and less polishing. The complete post-processing workflow delivers 100% biosafety, high precision, and future-proof performance, boosting dental practice efficiency drastically. The LuxCreo Dental solution is also an open resin ecosystem. It gives doctors more choices and flexibility, supporting over 24 dental resins and 12 dental applications. High speed, high precision, reliable results. From in-house clinics to high-volume labs, take control of same-day, customized treatment with LuxCreo LuxCreo Dental System.